Introducing the 2019 Audi A4 TDI S-Line Black Edition SUNROOF, the ultimate combination of luxury and performance. With only 150,140 kilometers, this sleek white saloon is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine, paired with automatic transmission for a smooth drive, packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of remote boot release, smartphone connectivity, and heated washers. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer serviced, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on this premium Audi. Contact us at www.connorcassidycars.ie for more information.